comparison of two quantities. Comparison of two quantities. Comparison of two quantities. Extremely important topic. We will discuss some very good ways where we can compare two powers and we can tell which one is greater or which one is lower. One by one we will discuss. Now before we discuss, these are 4 questions which uses a particular concept. 4 questions. Please observe that question. 51 power 101 or 101 factorial. 251 power 501 or 501 factorial. 15.5 power 30 or 30 factorial. 1 by 1001 plus 1 by 1002 till 1 by 3001 or 1. Before solving the question, let us first understand few observations. What are the observations? Now if you see 101 factorial, what do you mean by n factorial? N factorial, it is given by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into and so on up to 3 into 2 into 1. This is the definition of a factorial. That means product of all natural numbers from 1 to n, it is n factorial. 101 factorial, all the natural numbers from 1 to 101 are multiplied and the result is given as 101 factorial. Okay, product it is given. This is product of all the natural numbers. Product of all natural numbers. If you observe, second question also, 501 factorial. It is also product of all the natural numbers from 1 to 501. 30 factorial. It is also product of all the natural numbers from 1 to 30. Now if you see, this is the reciprocal of 1001 reciprocal is 1 by 1001. 1002 reciprocal is 1 by 1002. 3001 reciprocal is 1 by 3001. That means it is the reciprocal of the numbers 1001, 1002 and so on up to 3001. Reciprocal. This is the reciprocal. This is the first observation. Now, if you know the relationship between AM, GM and HM, this question can be solved very easily. What is the relationship? AM greater than or equivalent to GM greater than or equivalent to HM. Arithmetic mean will always be greater than or equivalent to geometric mean. It is always greater than or equivalent to harmonic mean. AM stands for arithmetic mean. GM stands for geometric mean. HM stands for harmonic mean. First let us define these relationship of AM greater than or equivalent to GM greater than or equivalent to HM holds good for positive real numbers. A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AN. All these holds good for positive real numbers. All these holds good for positive real numbers. This relationship always holds good for positive real numbers. Now, next key point. What is arithmetic mean? Sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Arithmetic mean, it is also called as average. Average is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Geometric mean. Geometric mean is nth root of product of the quantities. Nth root of product of the quantities. Harmonic mean is given by reciprocal of arithmetic mean. If A1, A2, A3, AN, if they are in arithmetic progression, A1, A2, A3 till AN, if they are in arithmetic progression, reciprocal will be 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by AN. They are in harmonic progression. Arithmetic mean is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Sum of the quantities will be 1 by A1 to 1 by AN by N. Harmonic mean is given by 1 by arithmetic mean. Harmonic mean is given by 1 by arithmetic mean. So therefore it became n by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a3 and so on up to 1 by an. Extremely important inequality. They all will be equal. AM is equivalent to GM is equivalent to HM when variables are equal. AM is equivalent to GM is equivalent to HM only when variables are equal. Only when variables are equal. Only when variables are equal. Otherwise, all these means they are not equal. AM equivalent to GM equivalent to HM only when variables are equal. I hope these fundamentals are required to solve our question. Very slowly, steadily, we will solve the question one by one. AM stands for arithmetic mean is sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. A1 plus A2 plus AN by N, which is Sn by N. Geometric mean is given by nth root of the product, nth root of Pn. Harmonic mean is given by N by 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 and so on up to 1 by An. 1 by An. You don't need to by heart it. Once you understand the definition of AM and GM, you can solve this question very easily. One by one we will solve. First question. What is the first question? Please see here. 51 power 101 or 101 factorial. 51 power 101 or 101 factorial. What is 101 factorial? Product of all the natural numbers from 1 to 101. So I am taking 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 101. 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 101. Here right hand side it is 101 factorial. Product is coming. Product is coming means GM we have to take. Are these reciprocal? 51 power 101 is not the reciprocal. Are the values different? Yes. That means AM is greater than GM. AM is greater than GM. Sir, how you concluded AM is greater than GM? Because there is a product from 1 to 101. So 101 factorial is the product of the natural numbers. Why I have not taken harmonic mean? Because the reciprocal is not there. Arithmetic mean, right? This series is in arithmetic progression because the difference between the elements, it is constant. So average or arithmetic mean. Average or arithmetic mean. It is also given by mid value or first term plus last term by 2. Average or arithmetic mean. It is also given by first term plus last term by 2. It is also given by second term plus second last term by 2. Third term plus third last term by 2. First term it is 1 plus last term it is 101 divided by 2 greater than geometric mean. Total, if two n values are there, it is nth root of product. If 101 values are there, this will be 101th root of 1 into 2 into 3 and so on up to 101. Nth root of product of all the values. AM greater than GM. AM is given by first term plus last term by 2. 1 plus 101 by 2. GM is given by, if n terms are there, it is nth root of the product. 101 terms are there, it is 101th root of 1 into 2 into 3 till 101. 102 by 2, it is 51. 51 power 101 greater than 101 factorial. Very beautiful way of solving the question. Which one is greater? 51 power 101 or 101 factorial? Answer is 51 power 101 is greater than 101 factorial. Why? Because AM is greater than GM. Why we got that idea AM greater than GM? Because factorial is there. It is the product of all the numbers from 1 to 101. 51 power 101 greater than 101 factorial. I hope the idea it is clear.